helping busy women, successful women to feel good, look good, and revitalize their health so that they can lose weight and have the energy to do whatever they desire. Today, I really wanted to talk to you about cleaning products. You know, right now, everybody's cleaning probably more than ever due to the COVID and the advice that we've been given. But many cleaning products on the market are highly, highly toxic and damage your health in many, many ways. You know, you can get skin irritations, you can get headaches, nausea. And I came across some research last week that actually also suggested that some of these very high-powered disinfectants, for people who are using them every day in the home or are working as cleaners, could be ingesting the amount of toxins, and it's having a huge effect on their lung function, you know, which is also related to COVID as well. It could be equivalent to smoking a pack of cigarettes a day on the damage it's doing to the lungs. And that's particularly true for ones that are vaporized, and a lot of them do come in sprays. So it's really important to avoid them. You don't need these high-powered cleaners. You cannot beat good old soap and water. If you want something a bit stronger, why not use vinegar? You can mix that with water and use that in a spray bottle, which is great for washing down worktops and things. Washing your hands, soap and water. We need bugs. We need to be in contact with germs, so don't go overboard on the cleaning. Yes, we need to be clean. Yes, we need to wash our hands. But let's be sensible about it. Don't go into overdrive and do it every few seconds. You're not doing you, your family, or anybody else any good. We need to be in contact with each other. We need to hug. We need to touch. That's how we build a healthy immune system. That's limited at the moment, so get out in the garden. Get out digging in the dirt. We need to be in contact with good bugs to keep our system healthy and working. So please, for the sake of your health and to lose weight, because when we have all these toxins, the way our body protects us is lay them down in fat cells. So the more toxins you have, the harder it is to lose weight. So ditch them. Go back to plain old soap and water, vinegar, essential oils if you wish as well, and your health will thank you for it. So take care. Lots of love. Bye for now.